Assassin Rose is sitting in front of a box of delicious food. Her two henchmen behind her also feel tempted.
Look. Oh, yeah.
Rose starts opening packs of snacks and eating them. The two henchmen can't hide their cravings and ask Rose for some. Rose's expression changes. And she runs them with 2 punches to their faces. Rose eats one thing after another, but doesn't find them tasty, so she throws the food behind her for the henchmen to eat. Rose then moves on to eating lollipops of various shapes. Those scenes have long caught the attention of a group of thieves who feel intensely tempted. Rose eats so much that she starts choking and signals for her henchmen to go buy her water immediately.
Let's go. Come on. Okay.
Seeing their chance,
Let's go.
thieves discuss their plan and spring into action. They intercept the henchman on his way to buy water for Rose.
What do you want? Right side. What do you want?
The henchman is surrounded. The thieves point their guns at him, causing him to collapse in fear.
What do you want?
One of the thieves steals the henchman's outfit and disguises himself.
Yeah, very nice.
The thieves take out a water bottle and put poison into it, laughing wickedly and evilly.
Oh, yeah, good. Yeah, let's go. Okay.
The disguised thief takes the poisoned water bottle back to Rose.
Give me!
Without hesitation, Rose drinks the water. Suddenly, she experiences severe stomach pain.
Hey, wake up!
The thieves hiding behind a pillar and observing everything are overjoyed. Rose's stomach now swells up scaring her. She angrily questions her henchman about the origin of the water bottle. The thief removes his mask, revealing his identity. The thieves burst out laughing. Rose and her henchmen, furious, grab their weapons and fire non-stop at the thieves, scaring them off.
Hey, let's go!
The thieves scatter and run in different directions. Rose and her henchmen don't stop chasing them. Rose halts and throws a shoe at the thieves, hitting one square in the face, causing him to pass out.
I hold him up.
Another thief runs away in fear. Rose chases after him and notices his feet sticking out from a hiding spot. Thinking it's safe, the thief peeks out only to see no one. He sighs in relief, but looks up to find Rose pointing a gun at his head.
Hey, SWAT!